Okay, everyone, never ever mess with the light switch if it's not in your own house. Especially in public buildings. Even if you are going to somebody else's house, do not do this. That is not okay at all. If you do this, you will be kicked out of the party people are hosting, and you will never be invited back to their house. So this is very serious stuff. Do not, under zero circumstances, especially in a public building, do this. These are not to be messed around with, unless it's in your own house. Now, if this is your own house, you can mess with this, but if this is somebody else's house, no, 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 no. You cannot mess with this. Also, you don't take the bulbs out of the ceiling. You don't take the wires off. You don't take the fixture off the ceiling. You don't take the ceiling fan off the ceiling. You don't change the speed or the direction on it. You don't flip the blades around. You don't take the globe out of the lights. You don't take the wires off. Same thing with lamps. Do not take the lampshade out, do not take the bulb out, and do not play with the switch. Especially with HVAC systems, do not turn them off, especially if there are vulnerable people in those houses, because you will risk their lives, because they will be cold if you cut their heat off in the winter time, and they will be hot if you cut their AC off in the summertime. So do not play with these outside of your own house. Especially if they turn off emergency equipment or HVAC systems. So when you visit my house, do not mess with that, or else you will be kicked out of my house, and you will never be allowed back in my house ever again. Bye.